Sweet Endings comes to you courtesy Creamery Novelties Ice Cream. Live a little. Alright guys, time for Sweet Endings. It's all brought to you by the folks at Creamery Novelty Ice Cream. And these little mini cups are so cute. I just love them.
That's why you're eating it, right?
Yeah, because it's like one serve. Just for me.
You're not
we can't share this. This is like for me. I'll get you a mini cup after.
Okay.
Right? But this is like for you. Personal mini cup, my personal mini cup. This is the strawberry.
How is it though?
It's good. Mm-hmm. It's creamy. Mm-hmm. It's creamy, that's why it's creamy. We're doing some wonderful desserts because of these wonderful creamery ice cream. We're using a range of flavors, and that's why Chef Cheryl and Shortt-Charles is here with us. And you're gonna do what you're doing with. Are you using the strawberry? The strawberry?
No, I'm using chocolate.
You're a chocolate girl, aren't you?
I love chocolate. Mm-hmm. So I'm going to use the chocolate to make fried ice cream.
You're gonna fry the ice cream?
Fry the ice cream.
Chef, I know you. Chef, you can't fry ice cream.
Of course you can fry ice cream. Why you can't fry ice cream?
Fry ice cream?
Why can't you fry ice cream?
Well, let's see you do it now, Cheryl.
Right.
Oh Lord.
So the first thing we want to do though.
We have to do over this segment. Chef is going to fry the people ice cream.
Is to get your creamy chocolate, right? Your scoop. Now, the nice thing about this is that it can be done in advance, because what you have to do, you have to, after we have scooped it, because you see it's nice and soft for us to scoop, we put it in the freezer.
Okay.
So that it solidifies again. We have some that's hard here, right? And the mixture I have in this bowl is cornflakes, plain cornflakes with vanilla cookies. I just crushed it up, and I have eggs.
Right.
One egg.
Yeah.
Right. So we taking it and we rolling it.
Chef, you did this before?
Of course. what? I can't understand that kind of question.
No, yeah,
right. So we roll it in there first.
Right.
Put it in the egg. And then we go back in here again. And the reason why I'm saying that you can make it ahead is that if you're having that, big, well, any times that we are in, just, your family at home, you can make it ahead and freeze it. Right. Again, see, roll it first, put it in the egg, and then go back into our mix. Now you can spice up the mix if you want, but I didn't want to take away from that chocolate from the ice cream.
Oh, it's chocolate ice cream.
Right. Now the key is we want to put it back inside the freezer. Right? And I have some here waiting patiently to be fried. Now there's another thing that we can do. If you don't want to fry it in oil, there's a shortcut way in which that you can saute this mixture in butter, right? And just roll the ice cream in it. See?
The ice cream melted?
No. Why are you afraid that the ice cream will melt? Don't you trust that I know what I'm doing?
So it's a quick fry?
It's a quick fry. That's why the oil is very hot. This one, put them in, quick fry.
Wow.
There we go. And I had some chocolate that I melted here.
Right, because you don't have enough chocolate.
No.
You never have enough chocolate.
Could you, ladies, can you ever have enough chocolate? No. Put some added chocolate. What's over here? I mean, what more do you want?
So this is to be eaten hot.
It is to be, remember, it's not going to be that hot because the ice cream inside of there is cold.
You're aware this is ice cream?
Of course I'm aware it's ice cream. You tell me if it's ice cream.
So when I go in here.
You see, now did you hear that crunch?
Right. It's right to the ice cream holds its.
Yes.
And you have that nice little crunch.
Exactly. So that's why the key is when you roll it, you put it back. So you can do it overnight. Set it, let it get really hard. You want to dunk it inside of the oil till it gets a little crisp and a little brown, and pull them back out. And there you have fried ice cream.
Thank you very much. Only Chef Cheryl and Shortt-Charles can fry beautiful ice cream. I want to thank the folks at Creamery for making it possible. Guys, that's going to do it. We're going to see you back here. Cup and Joe Christmas is in full effect. Have a good one.